Hi everyone, in front of me I've got OPPO A98 and let me share with you how to allow unknown sources on this device. So first of all we have to enter the settings and then simply scroll down to find password and security. Now let's tap on system security. And here let's scroll in order to find installation sources. As you can see right here, we've got the list of apps which are allowed or not allowed to install some content. Of course, you can change it. You can allow, for example, Drive or Edge to install. Simply tap on the switcher. As you can see, your device will ask you if you really want to do it, and you really have to be careful because third-party apps aren't usually verified by the developer, so you may put your data and actually whole device at risk, so really remember about that and be careful. So let's tap on allow, and as you can see right now the drive is allowed to install something. Of course it will work the same with all other apps, and the same situation if you want to turn it off, because you can always remove previously granted permissions. Just tap on the switcher to remove it. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.